Across NYCHA's 2,400 acres of land, 40% of our city's playgrounds go mostly untouched because of broken equipment, missing safety surfaces, and damage incurred by unintended adult use. Why? Because almost 75% of NYCHA's residents are over 18, but only 2% of the available outdoor space in their communities is designed for their passive use. When considering this, along with the fact that 88% of mature trees and open green spaces on campus are inaccessible and behind fences, it becomes clear that the condition of NYCHA playgrounds is not an attempt to disrespect the joyful gathering places of children, but a plea for older residents to have a place of their own to wander and explore like their younger neighbors. After visiting each site, assessing the unique and immediate needs of each community, NYCHA, as a part of place-based master plan efforts, has commenced the process of re-envisioning the available community space with a broader range of our residents in mind. The goal is to help residents thrive on their campus and to encourage positive interaction with the larger community. Exciting new play spaces for children and young adults offer opportunities for friendship and interaction with neighbors on and off campus, and welcoming green spaces for people of all ages allow every NYCHA resident to see the landscape of their campus as an extension of their home. Our vision for each NYCHA campus is to revitalize thousands of acres of long fenced-off green space, returning its use to residents and opening a new chapter in public housing, one where the landscape surrounding each tower reflects the principles of healthy and active living and design justice that we hold dear. By working with representatives and volunteers from each NYCHA community, new adventure fitness areas, destination play zones, and activity lanes will reflect the unique character and needs of each site. No longer walled off by enclosures that create unnecessary borders between the campus and the surrounding neighborhood, NYCHA campuses will be public-facing spaces where the community comes together, improving safety through visibility and connectivity. These plans are just the first step, a roadmap to secure funding. They are a map to a brighter future. To bring this vision to life, we need to cultivate a partnership of community members, nonprofit organizations, and private retailers committed to unlocking the potential of NYCHA campuses. Together, we can unpave the way for a greener, healthier, happier tomorrow, not just for NYCHA residents, but for all New Yorkers.